Alright guys, so in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is using this Amazon auto body repair kit to try to remove some of these dents from this 1969 Ford Torino that I've been restoring. And I'm new at this. I've never used a hammer and dolly set, but I do kind of have an idea of what I'm supposed to do. And what I'm going to do is set you guys up on a camera and let you watch me attempt to do this. I may end up making it worse, or who knows. I'm going to attempt to get rid of this gouge here. I want to get this big dent out, and then hopefully that'll kind of allow this other material to kind of, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. If you know what you're doing, you can leave me a comment in the comment section and kind of give me a heads up and point me in the right direction. It's still definitely not perfect, but I've definitely got a lot of it out, so that looks a lot better. Pretty big. That's going to wrap up today's video. Overall, I'm impressed with the products that I got on Amazon for only $28. This 7-piece kit is definitely a beginner kit, but I don't know what I can compare it to, like per se a more expensive one. So I would definitely like rate this 8 out of 10. I'm sure that there are better tools out there for this job, but I definitely feel like it is a skill issue. Because with these pretty cheap tools, I got it pretty close to where I want it to be, but it's definitely not done. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's a lot closer to what I want it to look like opposed to what it was before. So hands down, I rate these tools 8 out of 10. I would definitely recommend this if you're an average DIYer like myself and want to get into, body work or metal work. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and possibly subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks. See you in the next one.